Let's solve the next problem from this Blind 75 series, and currently we were on valid parenthesis. We have completed it. Now let's move on to the next problem, valid palindrome. What it is saying that from this lines, it is saying that whether the we have to find whether the given string is palindrome or not. It is saying only this much, but there is one more thing here, that is we have to ignore the special characters that are present here. See, there is one special character comma, then colon. We have to ignore them while checking it for the palindrome. And there will also be mix of uppercase and lowercase letters present here, so we need to take care about that. Now let's start the approach. Must have already know that palindrome is the word which is read as same from forward and backwards. So the palindrome is of two type, that is even length and odd length. 1 2 3 4 5 odd length palindrome, even length. In odd length there is only one center, and in even length there are two centers. So how we find the palindrome? We simply put one start pointer, one end pointer, and we keep on comparing the character at start and end. If they are same, we will move towards the center, and if they are same, we will move toward the center. At some point they will become equal, or if it is the even palindrome, then start and will eventually, if they are equal, it will come here. If they are also equal, it will come here. And if these two characters are also equal, then they will overlap. Even end pointer will come here, and start pointer will come after the end pointer. Start pointer will become greater than the end pointer. In this case, in the case of odd length palindrome, they will become equal. In case of even length palindrome, we will see overlapping of pointers. So in both the cases, if all the conditions are passed, all the starts and ends are same, then we will simply say it is a palindrome. And at the same time, in this particular problem, we will keep on ignoring special characters. How we will do that? So there is a function in C++ is alphanumeric. It finds out for us that if a given character is alphanumeric or not. Alphanumeric means consisting of alphabet and number. In alphabet, both uppercase and lowercase comes. Lowercase. And in number, from 0 to 9. So we'll consider only these much characters for our comparison, and we'll ignore the rest. Now let us code it. First I'm going to create start pointer that will be starting from the 0th index, and here I will find out the length of the string like this, and I will create end pointer. Initially it will be pointing to the last index of the given string, that will be length -1. We have done till here, and I think it is clear till now. And now we need to put a value to compare the characters present at the starting and start pointer and end pointer. So I'm putting here a while loop, and now the question is, what will be the condition of this while loop? So the condition will be, as we have discussed, already discussed, that till start remains less than end. If it becomes equal, and if it becomes greater than end. In both the cases, we have successfully compared for the whole string, and we are sure that it is a palindrome. So at the end, if this while loop successfully runs till end, means we have not returned inside the while loop, we can safely return true here. The given string is palindrome. So inside it, we'll check. So here comes the ignoring part. Ignoring non-alphanumeric characters. Okay, how we'll ignore them? With while loop. So I am placing here a while loop till this start is less than the length, means we are not going out of the string, and the current character pointed by the start pointer is al num. The current character is s start. I have placed a not here, means if it is not alphanumeric, means any special character, so we don't want to deal with it, we want to ignore it. So simply doing start plus plus for ignoring it. Simply we'll do with this same with the end pointer. And here what will be the condition to check so that the end pointer remains within the bounds of the string? We'll check like this, and remains greater than 0, then only we can decrease it. And here we'll check for the end, and at last we'll decrease end pointer like this. And when we will come out from both of these while loops, so we know that the current character pointed by start and end is alphanumeric because of these conditions. When it is alphanumeric, then only the control will come out of this while loop. When the character at end pointer is alphanumeric, then only will come out of this while loop. And these conditions are for checking that it remains within the bound of the string. At last we'll check if the characters pointed by start and end are equal or not, like this. S start is equals to S end. We are interested in when they are not equal, then we will return false, because we have already managed the case of returning true. So here we will simply return false. But as you know that there will be some characters in uppercase and lowercase, so we have to check in single case. So I am converting both of the character to lowercase. You have to only find out the palindrome ignoring the case. I think the function name is to lower only. Yes. Let me read it again if I am missing it or not. Uppercase letter into lowercase. Yes, it is saying that we have to ignore the case also while checking for the palindrome. Yes, we are doing the correct here. I think brackets are correct. So if it happens that they are not equal, then we'll return false. If they are equal, then we'll keep on comparing the next characters at the end. If the while loops runs completely till end, then we know that it is a palindrome. We will return true at the end. Let me run it. I hope that I have not made mistake this time. Why time limit exceed? Let me check. Okay, one more thing that I have missed here, that we have compared. After comparing also, we have to move our pointers now. Start plus plus and minus minus. Yes, now it should work. Yes, given test cases are passed. submitting it. Wrong answer. Why? Only few cases are left. Let me check. Dot and comma are present and we are returning true, and it is expecting false. All right, if see, let me debug it with the u. So it must have been reached the end of this. We will come here, we will come inside the while loop, and we'll come here and we'll check start is less than length. Yes, it is a special character. We'll start, will move forward. The last character is also a special character. Then we'll move forward and we'll come out of this while loop. And similarly for end part, we'll check, and I think this will also reach the start of the string, and here we are checking. Okay, so we can put a condition here if for the string, such type of strings where only special characters are present, if the start is greater than equals to end, means whole string is of special character, then we will simply return true here. That's it. This condition will manage this case. Now submitting it again. Yes, it got accepted. I hope you understood the explanation. If you find this video useful, you can consider subscribing my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.